Hi there, if you're new here, my name is Nicole, and in this week's video, we're gonna do what I eat in a week as a busy nursing student. Come along with me as I eat delicious food throughout the whole week.
Good morning!
Hello, my name is Nicole, and today's video is gonna be what I eat in a week. Currently, I look really insane, but it is Monday and it is 7:55. We are going to eat a little pre-workout because I want to go to the gym. I have school at 12, so I don't know what I'm gonna eat for my pre-workout. Maybe like a rice cake and peanut butter. We'll see. Let's go eat. Yesterday I had a coffee made, but I already got a matcha from my cousin, so I just put it in the fridge. We're gonna use her now. I'm gonna be eating leftovers for a really long time because my dad had a birthday this weekend. Look at this fridge. It's full of leftovers. Like there's chicken there and there's like a whole bunch of like other stuff. This fridge is literally full. Leftovers for at least 3 days. I just got home. I'm not really hungry, if I'm honest. It's like 10 o'clock. I'm probably gonna take a shower and then see if I'm hungry after. I have to go to school now, but I don't have a dinner for later. I might just hug it out or get like a sandwich at school. But for now, I think I'm gonna go get a like smoothie with some protein in it at Second Cup. So let's go. Hi, I have a mobile order under Nicole.
Smoothie, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you. Hey, thank you. You as well. I'm back home and once again I'm eating leftovers. This is oxtail. I'm just gonna add white rice to it. Okay, we gotta do this quick because my mic is dying and I changed it to something quick, but I'm just gonna eat my oxtail. It literally says this mic has 10% on it. Look at it. I guess I left it on for too long, literally the other week. Anyway, I'm gonna eat this and then probably study. Oh my god. We're moving forward. Help. At Pilates, I just ate a banana. I literally didn't film anything going out of the house because I panicked, woke up, and then got ready. It's 6:53, class is at 7. I also went to Tim Hortons and got a croissant, but I don't know if I'll eat it. That was honestly not bad. I'm really not that hungry, but I'll probably eat like a small yogurt or something. I'm back home now and I'm going to do some notes again, but I'm gonna eat this Iokos Pro Greek yogurt peaches peach mango. I really like this one because it's like high in protein than the other ones and it's also like low calorie. I think it's like 80 calories and 8 grams of protein, which is actually really good. And it doesn't taste like, I don't know. I feel like regular Greek yogurt is not as appetizing. I don't know. Does that make sense? I'm gonna eat this. You guys, so right now it is 11:48 and I'm driving to my friend's house because we're gonna do a food collab. I think she reached out to a lady to promote her, I think it's cookies. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I didn't really film doing or eating acai bowls with my friend. All you see is that one video, but now we're gonna go eat more sweet treats.
That's a chewy cookie.
I'm just Guys, I just got home and I got Basil Box. Basil Box is closing on May 14. I also got my eyelashes done. And I'm literally winded because I went up like a million stairs to go get my iced tea zero. Delicious. I'm so excited. First bite. Cheers. On Wednesday, I just made myself a shin ramen, and then also on Wednesday, I had orientation, so I did eat my pasta and I put chicken on top, and I also had an orange and a banana. The leftover chicken was from my dad's birthday party from the other day. I literally just put it in the oven, and it was honestly really dry, and I didn't really finish it, if I'm honest. Hello, it's... bro. Anyway, it's dinner time, and I got sushi. I haven't had time to cook because I'm just so stressed about school. I got the salmon lover. It comes with 6 of the salmon on top and the sushi under, and then 6 of these sashimis and spicy salmon. Look at it. Delicious. If I tip it, it's gonna fall. I'm protein maxing. I'm so excited. What the freak? Cheers. Thank you. Thank you so much. You as well. I got a bagel. Oh, perfect. She cut it in half for me. And cheese and like bacon bagel. I don't know if you can see that. Happy Thursday. Currently 11:23. It's not lunchtime yet, but I am gonna have a little snack. We're gonna do jumbo shrimp and pork wonton. I'm just going to steam it. I have a collab at 12:30 for scoop cakes. Or scoop cookies. So, I'm just gonna have a snack. She's done boiling. I usually eat it with like soy sauce and lemon, but I think I might put like chili oil or something. My mom has this garlic chili oil from the Philippines. I just don't know where it is. And I think I'm gonna rummage through everything to go find it because it was so good. Honestly, this doesn't look really appetizing, but I swear it's good. I'm also on the computer right now waiting for Olivia Rodrigo tickets, so. I actually did a collab with one of these dessert companies that was in the area, and it was so good. It was like a cookie and ice cream mixed together. I literally am craving it right now as I am watching this. I think I need to go get one next week. It is 6:02, and I don't know why I'm gonna. Sorry, it's not 6:02. It's 6:20, and I forgot my spoon. Anyway, I cut up 2 mangoes because I'm just a little hungry. Yeah, I'm gonna eat 2 mangoes. I cut them into little squares. Thank goodness it's mango season because I love it. For dinner, we're having congee, but like a Filipino version of it. It's called arroz caldo. I added a egg, and my mom just had like leftover shredded chicken. It's very like gingery. I don't know how to explain it. Very comforting, and it's gonna be my pre-workout meal. I have to go to the gym later at like 9, but it's already 8:36, so maybe like 9:15. Guys, oh my goodness, it is literally Friday right now, and it's like 11:32. I didn't film anything today while I ate, but we did come home from the Jays game. I will show or insert what I got from the Jays game. I got 3 drinks, and I also ate some popcorn off my cousin's boyfriend. He didn't want it, so I was eating that. This morning I had a farmer's wrap from Tim's, and I didn't take a video of that because I think I was running late this morning to school, and I just didn't take a photo of it. That's literally all I ate today. But today, well, right now, I have Red Swan on where you can get a personal pizza for, I think it was $6, and I just added like a garlic sauce for like $1. So I think it was like, with tax and everything, I think it was like $9. Honestly, not bad. They were having a promo for $6 personal pizzas. So I'm gonna eat this because I'm starving. Tiny, that is. Thank you guys so much for watching this, what I eat in a week. Honestly, it wasn't that great, and I thought I was gonna be healthy, but I didn't. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.